Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best beach wagon for toddlers. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon. The Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon is best if you have multiple toddlers and are looking for a bigger storage space. This wagon is easy to ride as it has two adjustable leatherette handlebars you can pull or push. You can also use this beach wagon on any terrain as it is equipped with puncture-proof airless tires. You can ride this wagon in 3 different ways: through the car seat mode, stroller mode, or using it as a haul gear. The best thing about this wagon is its detachable cooler bag that can hold all your food items at the beach. It also has one parent organizer to ease your work with 3 storage compartments and a front zipper pocket. The Jeep wagon also has a removable UV blocking mesh canopy to protect your little one from sun rays. It also has an adapter for your toddler and 5-point safety harness for your older kids. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon. This is the best choice if you're looking for a 3-in-1 wagon. Radio Flyer wagon has 3 riding features: bench seating, hauling, and 2-rider seating, making it versatile. The beach wagon has maximum storage to carry anything you will need at the beach. The wagon is also easily foldable, so you can carry it anywhere. The Radio Flyer wagon is best for toddlers because it includes a UV protection canopy to protect your toddler from the sun. It also has seat belts to secure your child, ensuring their safety. Ever Advanced Foldable Wagon. This is the best pick if you intend to buy a beach wagon for your 2 toddlers. This wagon is made of a high-duty steel frame and a polyester fabric to keep your toddler from falling. The wagon also has a detachable canopy that will shade your kids as they enjoy the beach. The Ever Advanced wagon also has a 5-point safety belt to provide your toddler with maximum safety. This wagon is also easy to use as it has a stroller push handle that you can use. It also has a pull handle that you can use on any terrain. This wagon also has enough storage to carry all essentials at the beach. Which is the best? The Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon is the best because it has multiple safety measures for your toddler, such as a UV blocking mesh canopy, a seat belt with an adapter, and a 5-point safety harness for your other kids. It is also the best as it has more storage compartments for all your family. Thanks for watching.